Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start our today's class. The learning outcome will be, children, today you will be able to solve some of the more practice questions. So in our previous class, children, we did some of the practice question, isn't it? So today some more practice questions we will solve. So let's start. Take out your workbook, page number 5. So today we are going to start from number 7. Let's start. You can take out a maths copy and do along with me. Subtract 51 from 72 by writing the numbers in columns. Children, column word means what? Column or vertical, both means the same. Both are same. That means we will arrange the smaller number below the bigger number. Okay. So here bigger number is what? 72. So we will arrange 72 first. It is 2-digit number, children. 2 places will come. Okay. So here it comes 72 minus 51. Now let's do this subtraction. We'll start subtraction from which place? Ones place. So 2 minus 1. Open 2 fingers, close 1 finger. So what is the answer? 1. Next, in tens place, 7 minus 5. So how many fingers will you open? Bigger number is 7, so you will open 7 fingers. In one hand there are 5 fingers, 6, 7. Now children, what is the smaller number? 5. So you are going to close 5 fingers. So how many finger remains open? 2 fingers. So what is the answer? 2. Here you get 21. Okay. It is very easy. You can do it yourself also. Let's do the next question B. I'll rub the board. Next question 8. Box A has 3 pens. Box B has 2 pens more than box A. Box C has 3 pens more than box B. How many more pens are there in box C than box B and box A? Children, this is a bit confusing, so you pay attention properly so that you can understand the question. Okay, so let's start step by step. Here first box is what? If you want, you can do it practically. Children, keep 2-3 boxes. Name one box as box A, second box as box B, name the third box as box C, and you try to follow this and put the pens inside that. So you will get the answer very easily then. Okay, let's do it. So children, there are 3 boxes. Okay, there are 3 boxes. A, B and C. There are 3 boxes A, B and C. Now children, box A has how many pens? 3 pens. Box A has 3 pens. What is written about the box B? Box B has 2 pens more than box A. That means 2 pens more than box A. So it is compared with this. That means 2 pens more it has. It has 3 pens and it has more 2 pens. More 2 pens than this. So let's add it. This becomes 2 pens, right? 2 pens more. So how many pens will be there? 3 plus 2, 5 pens. That means box B will have 5 pens. Now what is written about your box C? Box C has 3 pens more than box B. Now box C also have more pen. More pen. How many more pens does he have? 3 pens. 3 more pens than his neighbor. His neighbor is what? Box B. More than this, more than 5. He has more 3 pens. Okay. So we'll do plus 3. So here it comes 8 pens. So in box C, children, how many pens will be here? 8 pens. Box A has 3 pens. Box B has 5 pens. This is box A, box B and box C. Understood how to do, children? Now what we are going to, what it is asked here, how many more pens are there in box C than box B? How many more pens are there in box A, C than box B? Now children, how many more pens does he have? Here it is 3 pens, right? So the answer is what? Box C. These 3 more pens are there, right? So we'll write box C has 3 pens more than box B. This is the answer to the first question, okay? Next, how many more pens are there in box C than box A? Now we will compare box C than box A, okay? Now children, how many more pens does it have? Can you say? See, it has 8 pens and box A has 3 pens. So how many more does it has? When there is a comparison between 2 boxes, children, what we'll do? We do subtraction. That is 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So how many more pens does box C has? 5. 5 more pens. You can see it is 8 and it is 3. So who has more? C has more, right? C has how many more? How will you find? We'll just do subtraction. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 more pens are there in box C than box A. So let's do box C has 5 pens more than the box A. Is it clear? Okay, then let's move to our next question. Children, you can do this way. You can write the statement instead of making this. You can write box A has 3 pens, box B has 5 pens. How did it come? 3 plus 2, 5 pens. Box C has your 5 plus 3, 8 pens. So last line you can write as it is. Clear? So let's move to next. Number 9. Solve using vertical subtraction. It is very easy, right? You can do this. So I'll show you one and rest you will do it yourself. 76 minus 43. So we always start from ones place, right? 6 minus 3 is what? 3. And 7 minus 4 is what? 3. So the answer is 33. You can do it B and C. Next, number 10 is also very easy. We have already done. Fill in the blanks. The first question, 89 minus 63 is extremely simple. We can do the subtraction, right? So 9 minus 3 is what? 6. And 8 minus 6 is what? 2. So the answer is 26. Next, B, ones, tens. 78 minus your 7 in ones place and 6 in tens place. Now children, you can see that the smaller number is missing here, right? Here it comes smaller number, right? When we find the smaller number, children, we do subtraction. When we find the smaller number, we do subtraction. Okay. So children, subtraction of which numbers? We are looking at the ones place, right? We are looking at the ones place. So we are going to subtract the numbers in your ones place only. That means 8 and 7. So 8, you count your 8 fingers and cancel 7 fingers. Cancel 7 fingers. So children, how many finger remains? 1 finger, right? How many finger remains? 1. So what will come here? 1. Okay. Next, 7 we are finding, children, the smaller number here in tens place, right? So what we are going to do, 7 minus 6, what is it? 1. The answer is 1. Just keep in mind, children, when we have to find smaller number, we'll do subtraction. When we have to find bigger number, we'll do addition. So I will rub this question. See, ones, tens. 7 minus 3, and here it comes 52. Now children, can you find the place these are missing? Here it should be greater number, right? So to find the bigger number, what we are going to do? To find the bigger number, we'll do addition. Addition of which numbers? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Okay? And here we have to find the smaller number. So what we will do? 7 minus 5 is what? 2. So here it comes 2. So we got the answer, right? Here it comes 5 and here it comes 2. Understood? So rest you can complete it, children. And question number 11 is again, children, it's very easy. Subtract 46 from 99 by writing the numbers in columns. So you can do 11 also. Okay? So complete these questions, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. So that's all for today, children. Thank you so much.